At Capital S.M.A.R.T Repairs, we understand that life can take an unexpected detour. That's why we're here to make your repair experience simple and hassle-free. Here's what you can expect. Before your booking day, you would have received a text message from your insurance company asking you to take a few photos of the damage to your vehicle. If you haven't already, please follow the instructions and make sure you do this before the day of the assessment. This helps our team prepare for your repair in advance, including ordering parts sooner, so everything runs smoothly during the repair process and we can get you back on the road as quickly as possible. When you arrive, our friendly team will carry out an inspection of your vehicle. Next, we will walk you through the repair process, provide an estimated time frame, and answer any questions you may have. In many cases, we can start repairs right away, so be ready to leave your car with us. If we need to order additional parts, we will schedule a new date that works for you. If you need to keep your vehicle while we wait for parts, we'll make sure it's safe to drive before you leave. Your safety is our priority. If needed, we can arrange a complimentary ride or assist with transport services to help get you to your next destination, ensuring you stay on the move while your car is being repaired. Before bringing in your vehicle, ensure you take photos of your vehicle and any damages as part of your claims process. Make sure it has a full tank of fuel or is fully charged to assist with the repair process. Please remove all personal belongings, including work tools and digital devices. This will help us work faster to get you back on the road quickly and keeps your valuables safe. Once repairs are complete, our team will run quality checks and give your car a complimentary wash. We'll keep you updated throughout the process with SMS notifications and a courtesy call when your vehicle is ready for collection. Need a ride back to our repair centre? No worries, we can arrange complimentary transport to make your pickup as convenient as possible. And that's it. Have questions? Contact us today.